Hello everyone. Today I will introduce the LiTIN editor feature in the terrain module of LiDAR360. When the terrain point cloud is not good, or if you need to add terrain, water areas, or building break lines, you can use this feature. In the terrain module's model editor, activate the LiTIN editor tool. The LiTIN editor toolbar will appear in the current active window. Click Start Editing and select a file, then click OK. Click the TIN Add Single Point button to add vertices locally, which allows you to influence the terrain by adding points. The elevation source can be the triangulated surface, max or min surface elevation, or custom elevation. Similarly, you can use the TIN Delete Single Point tool to remove single points or select a region to perform TIN Delete Multi-Points operation. The Break Line of Water Area tool allows you to add a horizontal area to represent the lake. Similarly, the Break Line of Gradual River tool is used to add riverbanks by drawing two lines used to represent the river. The Linear Break Line tool is used to add soft or hard break lines to represent the cliff. If you already have breakline vector files, you can also import it directly. For 2D breaklines, the software can automatically recognize the elevation and align them with the terrain. LiDAR360 also provides undo and redo tools for LiTIN editing, offering greater convenience. Additionally, you can use the TIN Select Edge or TIN Select Triangle tools to highlight a specific edge or triangle in the triangulated network. Users can choose to save the TIN editing results or discard all edits using the Cancel TIN tool. After completing the LiTIN editing, click the Exit button on the toolbar to exit the LiTIN editor. That concludes the introduction to the LiTIN editor tool. Thank you for watching.